Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Virtua Fighter 5 Revolution. Let's dive right into the core mechanics. You'll primarily use 3 buttons: guard, punch, and kick. Mastering these 3 inputs is your first step to becoming a formidable fighter. Combine them with directional inputs for a wide array of moves. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes in training mode, just getting comfortable with moving your character and landing basic strikes. This foundational practice is now. Let's elevate your game with some advanced techniques. Throws are powerful tools. Execute them by pressing punch and guard together. Remember to guard against your opponent's attacks, as defense is just as vital as offense. You can even escape throws with precise timing. Each character boasts unique special moves, so explore their command lists to uncover devastating combos and signature attacks. Dedicate 20 to 30 minutes to practicing these in the dojo. Sometimes, you might encounter a small hiccup. If your earbuds don't connect immediately, try toggling your device's Bluetooth off and then back on. A simple reset of the earbuds can also help. Just place them in their case and hold the button for about 10 seconds. Also, ensure no other devices are currently connected to your earbuds, as they typically connect to only one device at a time. Consistent practice is the cornerstone of improvement in Virtua Fighter 5. Spend at least 30 minutes daily in training mode, honing your combos and defense. Don't shy away from watching replays of your matches. They offer invaluable insights into your mistakes and successes. Every loss is a learning opportunity, so adapt your approach and try new tactics. Finally, challenge other players, both friends and online rivals, to truly test your evolving skills.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.